This is my FC parts car.
Dude, we're gonna get you a boom mic and we're gonna start a Discovery Channel like car show. He's gonna run around with a camera and you're gonna run around with a mic.
This might be false confidence, but it is giving me confidence nonetheless.
I have confidence. I think we're doing pretty damn good.
Yeah.
Fucked up. That's the one. Okay, we're done.
Cool. We put a roof on a non-roof car. The underlying framework of the Coupe conversion is now complete. Most of the work you just saw was us putting on the roof and reinforcing it, getting it structurally sound. Going forward, most of the work will be make the roof blend in with the rest of the car. So we're going to have to fill in the gaps on the B-pillars and the top of the windshield, and then we'll go over it with some body filler and paint to make it all blend together like it is, well, like it was meant to be that way. As for the rear window, I'm going to source a hatch. Now, unfortunately, I had a hatch from my parts car and I didn't keep it, so I'll have to get another one, but oh well. We'll cut it up and basically make a frame for this back window. We'll weld the frame in place to the car and then make a polycarbonate rear window. So although it looks like most of the work is already done, I promise you there's way more to still do. So stay tuned for that.
And you'll catch me and my girl cruising in my Convertible.